I got new opportunities because shortly after, no, shortly before the exam, I got a new role. That was when I started my new role at CyberSOC Africa. Yeah, I remember during the interview, yes, I really made case out of financial modeling and leading a finance team, right? And well, unfortunately, I was going to use it. I wanted to use it in my previous work, which was at Nine Payment Service Bank. But yes, this juicy role came in and was really, really helpful. I mean, FMA was really helpful in getting that role because now I have to really participate and help the organization in project financing. Okay, my name is Samuel George, AFM, ACA. Currently, I work at CyberSOC Africa. At CyberSOC Africa, I'm currently the finance manager for Nigeria operation. How I heard about the FMA was when I was really researching on how to grow myself within the investment banking space and know more about investment and wanted to learn financial modeling thoroughly. And yeah, I came across dbrown. Although I have known dbrown for a very long time, we met ICANN level space. So I enrolled for a financial modeling academy last year. So it was from there the FMA stuff really came out, and I told myself, okay, I think I would really love to go for this course. And one of the major reasons was because FMA was the major reason. I mean, sitting for AFM exam was the major reason I did a course with dbrown last year, but I couldn't have the exam. But luckily for me, FMA came up, scholarship came up, and I tapped into it. And now today I'm an FMA. Yeah, it was really a sweet experience. Honestly, it was a beautiful experience in the sense that because it was self-paced, we have some self-paced classes, and and it was really good. Explanations of basic principles was very clear, and especially when we got to the part of step-by-step of passing AFM exam was really wonderful. And I honestly appreciate the fact that that we actually had classes that we teach you how to build financial modeling for real life setting, and we had the one that would really help you to pass AFM exams. I think that is really, really cool for me. For some, maybe it's possible in some places, they will just teach you on how to pass the exam. And once you pass the exam, you are good. Then after passing the exam, you are now coming back to face real life situation. But right now, okay, I honestly can fix into real life situation.